Newton Crouch Incorporated presents technical tips.
All the Newton Crouch 58 3-point hitches have a 17L control valve. Gives you the ability to go to at least 7 different places, center, left, right, all these different combinations. Has a pressure gauge built on top and a pressure relief valve to keep your pressure constant. This is our standard T-jet setup. It's off when it's perpendicular. When it's straight out, it's on. So it has a 160-pound gauge. You set the L and R, so you do left and right. It's got a pressure relief on it so that you can protect your positive displacement pump. Then it has a throttling valve for agitation. So you've got to balance the flow depending on what size pump you have. You want them all as maximum amount going to agitation. This has our deluxe agitation in it, which has the dual bugle nozzles with a 1/4-inch hole in it, so it's got great agitation. The excess goes over the relief, and when you turn it off, you see it jump up. A couple of unique features this unit has is the pressure relief that goes back to the top of the tank. It'll have a hose that goes all the way down through the bottom that have an anti-siphon in it, so we can't suck water back out to it. Then we put these hoses on top of the tank so that when you turn your valve off, it cannot siphon through there through your boomless nozzles. This unit's designed to use the tractor with a cab, that you turn it on, you flip your switch on, get in your cab, turn the PTO on, and it'll start spraying. Then you can turn your PTO on and off to regulate your spray.
We hope this video has answered your questions. Technical assistance is available 24/7 on our YouTube channel or our website, www.newtoncrouch.com. Call us at 800-241-1350. A real person will answer the phone. No recorded menus. Our knowledgeable staff will be glad to help you. Proudly made in America. A family-owned business since 1940, Newton Crouch.